Hey everyone, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and what better way to celebrate than by creating a fun and engaging Valentine's themed crossword puzzle for your social media. I'll show you how to do it quickly using a book creator's crossword puzzle tool. Let's jump in. To get started, we're going to use ChatGPT to get us our clues and answers for our crossword puzzle. I've created a prompt and I will put this prompt below in the description so you can just copy and paste it to use for yourself. I'm going to take this chart that ChatGPT generated for me and I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it into this Google Sheet that I've already set up here. Now that I have the clues and answers for this puzzle, I'm going to go into Book Creator and we're going to create our crossword puzzle. Now we're in the Crossword Puzzle Tool on the Book Creator website. To get started, I'm going to load up the settings that I've already created for this puzzle. Then we go under Title and Words, and we're going to put for the title, Valentine's Day Crossword Puzzle. I'm going to scroll down here to where we have our clues and our answers, and I'm going to go into our spreadsheet that we generated and copy the clues and answers into these spots. And now I can do a refresh. And I have my Valentine's Day crossword puzzle. I think I'd like to have this title a little bit bigger. Let's go over here and let's make the title larger. I like that. I'm going to go resave this, so if I want to create another one, I will have the settings saved. And now that I have my Valentine's Day crossword puzzle, I'm going to go take this into Canva and jazz it up a little with some graphics and some different colors. So let's go ahead and download the PDF. Now I'm going to go into our Convert PDF to PowerPoint. I'm using the 8.25 by 8.25 size, and I just need to go and add in this file. And now that I have this PowerPoint file, I can go to Canva and import it. All I need to do is drag and drop it into Canva. Then I can open it. I don't need the answer page, so I'm going to delete that. Take this. Let's change the background color. Let's go look for some Valentine's elements to put in here. And then now it's ready to download. And then we can post it on our social media. That's a quick and easy way to get a Valentine's Day crossword puzzle to post on your social media on Valentine's Day. If you have any questions about how to do this, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Your journey to crafting journals, planners, logbooks, and more starts here. Get going now with a free 3-day trial at abookcreator.com.